Mathaa ithatu cia rucini na kirindi giki kinene kia muingi gigwikinyitie nja ya wabici cia kamiti ya ithurano na mihaka Iebc guku Nairobi kumagaria murugamiriri wa atumia kaunti ya Murang'a Sabina Wanjiru Chege uria ugwikinyitie wabici-ini ici agiathikira riathani riria arutirwo ni kamiti no tariki 11 mweri uyu. Akirikana ati tariki 10 mweri-ini uyu ari mucemanio-ini wa kiuteti kaunti ya Vihiga ni aririe miario ya kunania ati nikwari na wuici githurano-ini kinene kia mwaka wa 2017. Sabina uria ukurugamiririirwo ni mawakiri James Orengo na Utinde Amolo ni erire Iebc ati ndiri na mahinya make watho kumuhunga mahuri iguru rigie miario yo kuona ati Iebc niyo yarugamirire mihang'o ya ithurano icio na uguo ibatie ni guteaniria cira uyu no kamiti no ni onekanire kwihanda na murugamo wayo.
The jurisdiction to determine whether an election is stolen or not, whichever election, is a jurisdiction for the court.
The Electoral Code of Conduct Enforcement Committee has jurisdiction and is legally seized of the matter before it for hearing and determination. This matter shall proceed to full hearing.
Mawakiri aya marugamitie maundu mugwanja maria maugite ni makuonania ati Sabina ndari na ucuke na umwe wamo ni wigie kihumo gia kuria Iebc yarutire miario iria irahuthika gucirithia Sabina ona gutuika mawakiri aya maugite ati hari macio mugwanja no umwe tu Iebc icokirie.
The commission of its own motion generated a report. It would be fair to provide either the name of the complainant and the complaint.
Material the commission will be relying on is just a clip, is very brief. We shall share with you.
No giikaro giki ni gitumurire weru uteti wa maumirira ma githurano kia president kia mwaka wa 2017 kiria giateanirio ni igoti ikaru na dalili cikionania ati uteti uyu waya kuoya uritu munene ona ciikaro-ini iria cikurumirira. Mawakiri aya makiuga ati ona kungikinya ni kwari na wuici wa ithurano Iebc niyo ibatie ni gukua uigiririkia ucio.
Don't bring the Electoral Commission into disrepute at this time when we're approaching a general election, because we'll have to go to the conduct of the commission itself.
They have themselves introduced the question of integrity of the 2017 election, something that was not touched on by the Honorable Sabina Chege.
What the Iebc should be doing now, instead of targeting the Honorable Sabina Chege, is opening the server which they refuse to open.
Bisha ya Sabina kurugamirirwo ni Orengo na Utinde aria mari ng'ethaniria nene mwaka wa 2017 ni rehire uteti wa ngeithi gatagati ga President Uhuru Kenyatta na mutongoria wa ODM Raila Odinga na atongoria aria mauma hamwe nake ni mamuteteire ari ta umwe wa aria makoretwo makihunjia thayo na urumwe wa bururi guku magikuwa ati kwaya gukorwo kuri na njama ya guthigithia Sabina kiuteti.
Mount Kenya region, these are signs that there is a lot coming in terms of making sure that your people do not progress.
Muthenya wa kere kiumia giukite niguo kamiti ya Iebc igathie na mbere na guthikiriria ndeto ino no mawakiri a murugamiriri wa atumia thiini wa kaunti ya Murang'a Sabina Wanjiru Chege maugite mari no hoti wa kuigana gutigirira ati hatire cira ukurugama. Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV ritwa rĩakwa nĩ Kimani wa Ngũnjiri.